First we will draw the beak of the bird. Then we will draw line like this. After that we will draw the head. Slowly and slowly try to draw each curve. Here wings, this is the wing of the bird. From here we will draw the body. Now we will draw eyes like this, and here we will draw one circle and one small circle inside. Now we will draw the legs, that means claws. Then here we will draw the branch where the bird is sitting. And from here we will draw the string. And one more string this side. Now we will draw the tail of the bird here. And another wing this side. Our drawing is ready. Now let's color. So here our drawing is ready. If you want more videos like this, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.